Top 7 Best GoPro Cameras 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. GoPro Hero 7 White. GoPro's entry-level Hero 7 White barely lasted a year before it was discontinued, but you can still find stock at even lower prices than its original launch price. Cheaper than both its silver and black siblings, it was never intended to be a flagship. Rather, the Hero 7 White is all about nailing the action cam basics on a budget. There's no 4K, the battery isn't removable, the field of view is fixed, and it doesn't have the hyper-smooth stabilization or fancier features of the other Hero 7 cameras. Think time warp, GPS, or live streaming. What it does offer, though, is high-quality, stabilized 1080p footage, a body that's waterproof down to 10 meters, and a slick, easy interface that's a boon for beginners. If you're after an affordable, capable action cam that can deliver on quality with point-and-shoot simplicity, look no further. Number 6. GoPro Hero 7 Silver. While it can't pull off as many fancy shooting tricks as the Hero 7 Black, for example, hyper-smooth stabilization and time-warp time-lapses, it still offers good value if you're mainly looking for a small, tough action camera that shoots pleasing 4K video. Despite the lack of hyper-smooth, you still get 4K video recording, plus waterproofing down to 10 meters, a 2-inch touchscreen on the back and voice control that allows you to instruct the camera to perform almost all main functions without you raising a finger. If you don't mind the non-removable battery, it's a fine choice for first-time users. Number 5. GoPro Max. Spherical video might sound like a gimmick, but the real benefit of software trickery from the likes of GoPro and Insta360 is being able to capture everything around you. Then choose which traditional flat frames you want to weave together into your final video. In other words, cameras like the GoPro Max let you capture an entire scene rather than one particular view of it. If that sounds up your street, then the Max is the GoPro for you. On-camera stitching takes the pain out of processing, while editing tools in the partner apps make reframing footage a whole lot simpler. At 5.6K, video is nothing if not high-res, but there are limitations, because fisheye footage from the front-facing camera has to be flattened for 2D. The quality in this mode leaves something to be desired. Stitching can also become an issue in low-light conditions, while the 50-minute battery life limits how much you can shoot in 360. Number 4. GoPro Hero 7 Black. It might now be 3 generations old, but the Hero 7 Black still remains one of the best action cameras in the business at its price. In fact, if you can do without the mods option offered by the Hero 8 Black, it might be the smarter, and certainly more affordable, buy. Its 4K footage is only fractionally inferior to its sibling, while the original hyper-smooth video image stabilization tech still impresses, serving up buttery smooth footage. Throw in 10-meter waterproofing, a 2-inch touchscreen, voice control, and raw output, and you've got a GoPro that, even with its superior successors on the scene, is still well worth considering. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black still offers outstanding value and performance for most people, even if it is now 2 generations old. If you don't need a front-facing screen or 5K video, the Hero 8 Black remains a stellar action package. The 4K footage at 60fps is as impressive as what you'll get from the Hero 9 Black, while hyper-smooth image stabilization is almost identical. That means smooth, detailed footage when the lighting is good, and the option of shooting 1080 at 240fps unlocks stunning slow-mo potential. The Hero 8 Black is versatile too, with support for GoPro's mod accessories, plus the now familiar fold-out mounting arms. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Although the GoPro Hero 10 Black isn't a total overhaul of the GoPro Hero 9, the result is a much more user-friendly and refined version of its predecessor, making it the most versatile action camera you can buy. Thanks to the new GP2 processor, you get the most powerful GoPro so far, but in other ways, it's a relatively minor upgrade and not one of the big leaps between some of the generations we have seen. The camera is built around the same 23MP 1/2 3-inch sensor as its predecessor, and features the same 10-meter waterproofing. There are some new shooting modes, which includes new 5K/60, 4K/120, and 2.7K/240 shooting capabilities. The latter of those two bring new fun slow-motion options, which are ideal for social media, cutscenes, and B-cam footage, particularly as the quick app for GoPro will take care of the editing for you. There's also a more responsive touchscreen interface, a wired date transfer mode which you can use with your phone, and a general boost to image quality. The improvements here may be relatively small, but when it's building on an already excellent model, that's to be expected. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best GoPro Cameras 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.